right, hello everyone. I want to show you how to use trade ideas to find possible short squeeze potential setups and take it to the next level, really, using our new tree map visual representation. This is our old way of doing it. This is a list of high short floats here, basically sorted by who's got the biggest short float. But what does that really tell me in real time? I could look at this list, till my eyes bug out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top list, I'm going to right click and say show me a tree map. First what we're going to do is we're going to sort on change from the open. So let's go ahead and spread that wider, change from the open, double click. Now if we go to a tree map, this is a heat map, or as we call it, a tree map of things that are on that list, but those are the ones that are working today. So rather than me having to look at that list and see which ones are moving up to the top on change from the open, we're just using our tree map here. And let's take a quick look at some of these Mullen, M-U-L-N. Oh my God, right off the bat, look at this. For some of you who know me, I am a big proponent of the 10-day simple moving average. This stock should be on your radar. It's basically showing us that the short squeeze of 21% roughly is moving higher on volume. So there's a lot going on there in that particular stock. What else can we look at here? How about Lazar, laser luminar technology? Okay, earnings with that yellow stripe from yesterday and a big move today. Here's a good example of maybe being able to ride the momentum in the morning. If you saw this on the tree map here on this, I'm going to give you this scan. So if you're still watching, good on you, because all you have to do is email us and I will send you the settings for this scan, and you can right click and open the tree map, and every day you can see the biggest short float names and which ones have the biggest change from the open. iRobot, look at this, another beautiful chart, setting up perfectly yesterday into earnings and riding our momentum line. Here's my 10 period moving average. So I like the 10-day moving average and the 10 period moving average on a 15-minute chart. The stock iRobot is in motion and continues to remain in momentum today. So you keep this one on your radar. So for trade ideas, being a scanner, it lets us find the ideas in real time that are the most valuable. And we don't have to really put a whole lot of input in there. There we go. We let the system show us what's happening in real time. And each and every day, you're going to get a list of ideas. So all you got to do is just email us, info@trade-ideas.com, and ask for Steve's short float tree map. And make sure you've got our latest version of Trade Ideas to allow you to view this in tree map format. And every single day, you're going to get ideas. And as long as the market stays strong, ideas are going to stay 26% on short the float on that one. iRobot, how many shorts did iRobot had? 30% short the float. So these are stocks that are coming out of downtrends and are now breaking downtrends with high covering or high momentum of short covering, meaning the shorts have overstayed their welcome. They're now in panic mode and they're trying to basically lock in their profits, or as much as they can, before those profits shrink on them. And that's where we are. That's how trends can change sometimes, and that's how trade ideas can give you an early warning or an early attention to certain names each and every day. Good luck.